Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Beat 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of swerved brown sugar, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then sprinkle in 4 cups of almond flour. Beat until the mixture is well combined. Fold in 1 cup of Lily's stevia-sweetened white chocolate chips. With a spoon, portion the dough by about 2 tablespoonfuls and roll into balls. With your fingers, lightly flatten the tops of the cookies. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are just beginning to brown.